Hello all, welcome back, or if this is your first time, welcome. I'm going to bring up something that is probably very timely, and that is about engagement rings. We are seeing many individuals or couples that are going up on the internet to do research on engagement rings. So I thought it would be very appropriate to bring up some additional information that might be very helpful in the purchasing decision. I'm going to talk a little bit about the traditional engagement ring, and from there, because of the fact that engagement rings can run the gamut of many different styles, at least if you have a basic understanding of what an engagement ring is and how other wedding bands or wedding attachments can go along with it, it'll help in your search for that dream engagement ring. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and start. I've titled this topic The Anatomy of an Engagement Ring, and from there let's go ahead and start off with the bread and butter aspects, which is the elements of a traditional engagement ring. The traditional engagement ring can be configured two different ways. One would be a center stone by itself, which is called a solitaire. Usually is set up with a 4-prong or 6-prong setting onto a ring plane or a diamond accented ring shank or ring mounting. From there, you also have a 3-stone engagement ring. 3 stones could be configured two ways. One would be for every single stone to be of the same size, and another way would be to have a 3-stone graduated, which is a larger center stone and 2 smaller flanking stones, and those can be configured with all diamonds or gemstone accents such as ruby or sapphire or emerald or whatever the case may be. From there, you have a ring shank or a ring mounting that is broken up into 2 sections. It's not really broken up, but it's just here for example. The top part is called the shoulders, and that is actually affixed to the setting, whether it's on a 3-prong or a 3 setting or a 1-stone setting. And from there, the shoulder then is attached to the shank. Now this is actually, it's sectioned off, but it just gives you a better understanding and idea of the different parts to an engagement ring. From there, I think the next area would be the engagement ring styles. There is basically 3 different styles in an engagement ring. The first would be obviously very popular is the solitaire, the 1-stone solitaire, which is set either on a 6 or 4-prong. There are other settings, and we'll go into that at a later time. The second one is a ring with side stones, which means you have your center solitaire, and then you have smaller side accents down the sides of the ring shank. And then of course the other one that I actually was talking about, which is a 3-stone, all of the same size, or a 3-stone graduated, could be either on a polished band or with side accents. The last area that I want to discuss is going to be the different types of settings. Now this particular video presentation is going to be broken up into 2 sections, and I'm only going to be talking about the 3 elements that are going to take it up to this point, and then at a later time I'm going to finish this up. So with that, I'm going to show you the 6 different types of settings for the center stone. First one is obviously a 6-prong, a little more secure, especially for larger stone centers. 4-prong, which is has less, but it does show off the stone a little bit more. And you have your double prong, which is more of an estate look, semi-bezel, a full bezel, and a halo with stones matching smaller stones that go all the way around a center stone. So with that, I hope that this has been helpful. I'm going to continue with another presentation that will explain a little bit more about the rest of the